In this week's CCJ Tech Shorts, we'll take a look at a software integration that helps fleets move toward battery electric vehicle adoption, a new spot cargo insurance option, a new LTL network that connects freight shippers with the gig economy, and more. Welcome to CCJ's Tech Shorts, your weekly look at technology and trucking. I'm CCJ's tech editor, Angel Coker. Go ahead and subscribe, and let's get started. AMP Control, a cloud-based software that connects to charging networks, electric vehicles, and fleet systems, has integrated its AI-powered charging management software with Geotab's connected transportation platform to solve key electrified fleet challenges. The software connects to real-time data from vehicles, route planning, charging stations, and more. Its AI models make automatic decisions in under 1 second to ensure on-time departures, low energy costs, and reduce charging downtime for EV fleets. Ground operators can see the state of charge of vehicles during the charging process and en route. Fleet operators can easily filter vehicles based on battery state of charge or geolocation, and asset managers can better troubleshoot charging stations by comparing vehicle and charger data. AMP Control's AI-powered energy management provides a one-stop-shop view to monitor depot operations, issue notifications to depot staff, and can immediately issue commands to chargers to diagnose and resolve problems. TruckerPath, a mobile app for North American truckers, has expanded its marketplace offering to include spot cargo insurance. Using the TruckerPath marketplace, North American truckers can have McCargo 247's all-risk coverage cargo insurance for up to $1 million per load. According to DAT, it is estimated that up to 90% of cargo on the road is underinsured or not insured at all, representing $15 billion or more in damages that cannot be recovered. TruckerPath Chief Marketing Officer Chris Oliver said, "With spot cargo insurance powered by McCargo 247, the community has instant access to policies that can protect their loads beyond standard coverage. With these single-trip policies and per-load pricing, drivers and owner-operators can control their costs by choosing which loads to insure and coverage amounts. This addition to the TruckerPath marketplace supports truckers with an essential product that is easy to access, helps them operate more cost-effectively, and provides peace of mind knowing their cargo is properly insured." To obtain coverage, drivers can click on the spot cargo insurance icon in the TruckerPath marketplace and enter cargo information. Per-trip spot cargo insurance offered by McCargo 247 covers all risks and provides broader coverage for commodities typically excluded by other cargo policies. Warp, a tech-powered freight network specializing in middle-mile solutions, has created a new LTL network for freight shippers by using the gig economy. In a traditional hub-and-spoke LTL network, freight shippers must wait to move their loads via shared truckload until enough other shippers have filled the truck, whether that be a 53-footer or a box truck. With Warp's new technology, called GLTL, shippers can now unlock additional capacity at faster rates with access to every size vehicle, from sedans to SUVs and Sprinter vans. The new service includes direct-to-store delivery, inventory transfer to fulfillment centers, warehouse-to-warehouse transfers, and last-mile delivery. Warp CEO and co-founder Daniel Sokolowski said, "With the launch of GLTL, we've just unlocked a new level of capacity for shippers looking to move freight more dynamically. We can now match inventory customer demand in real time while reducing touch points and cost. Whether it's restocking a viral product or responding faster to natural disasters by getting products to those in need more immediately, this is a solution for those who cannot afford to wait." By expanding to a larger mix of carriers, LTL shippers will more effectively be able to respond to surges in consumer demand by restocking shelves faster than ever before. There are also cost savings when it comes to fuel due to smaller vehicle size and easier access to stores in crowded urban areas where larger vehicles are not allowed. Instead of yet another transfer and more potential for damaged products, Warp removes that additional touch point by providing access to a smaller vehicle from the start. Bridgestone America's Azuga fleet management software is now available for purchase in the Amazon Web Services Marketplace, a digital catalog with thousands of software listings from independent software vendors. Azuga Fleet Management Solutions leverages GPS fleet tracking and dual-facing dashcam solutions to help keep vehicles, assets, and drivers safe. Through AWS Marketplace, fleet customers will be able to find, research, purchase, and launch the fleet management software directly from their AWS accounts. Additional benefits include a streamlined billing and deployment process and incentives for buyers to accelerate deals. As an AWS Partner Network member, Bridgestone is working with AWS to enhance existing fleet solutions like Azuga and create new digitally enabled solutions for fleet customers. Bridgestone plans to further develop its offerings and provide its fleet customers with a comprehensive selection of services and solutions that proactively assess fleet needs and help reduce vehicle downtime. T3 Tech LLC's TrueTMS, a SaaS-based transportation management system designed for small fleets, has entered the TruckStop Partner Marketplace. With this integration, fleets that have a TruckStop account can click the Load Search menu option in TrueTMS and enter the origin, destination, and search radius to view available loads and contact information from the TruckStop load board. Once carriers find a load, they can utilize a drag-and-drop planning grid in TrueTMS to optimally sequence and schedule loads for dispatch based on pickup and delivery appointments, travel time, miles, and drivers' available service hours, among other factors. The cloud-based TrueTMS platform includes a connected app that streamlines dispatch driver communications and shipment visibility. Drivers use the mobile app to capture load documents and trip expenses for the office to complete invoicing, payroll, and accounting work immediately. TrueTMS is compatible with over 30 ELD providers to deliver driver hours, real-time visibility of assets, and other status details. Iowa-based nationwide flatbed service provider TB Trucking LLC, an owner-operator carrier run by Troy and Heather Baumgartner, uses TrueTMS. Heather said, "I love knowing exactly where our equipment is without constantly calling Troy. There are no back-and-forth phone calls and no guesswork. That's time back that I can devote to our customers." That's everything from us for now. Be sure to subscribe and hit that bell to catch CCJ's Tech Shorts again next week. Until then, you can read more and sign up for our newsletter at ccjdigital.com. Thanks for watching.